guys, I'm lost for words. We've just been witness to one of the rarest scenes in the Indian jungle, a tiger and a leopard face off. Absolutely unbelievable scenes that we've been witness to here in Kanha today morning, and I just can't believe how lucky we are. Absolutely amazing, guys.
So I came into touch with the Wilderlust Travels and Shashank through social media, and since I have wildlife interest, I thought it's a good opportunity. I've been getting the regular update from them about various trips, various safaris, but couldn't make it. So this time I thought Kanha was on my list, so this time I joined in.
Well, Kanha Jungle is super amazing, like as a jungle should be. The flora and fauna, amazing, especially when you enter the forest. The smell of that sal tree, that really captures you. The smell, the whole canopy of the trees, it's really amazing and so soothing and calming. I really loved it.
So we saw a variety of wildlife. We saw everything from jackals, tigers. We even were lucky to see a leopard. Besides that, we saw a lot of barasanga, for which Kanha is famous for, and spotted deer, sambar, barking deer. We even saw a barking deer calf, which was lucky. And while on the way back from the safari near the resort, we saw a hare.
We saw two tigers. First when we saw it was sleeping, then slowly it was coming, outside walking on the roads and leaving us. The second one also coming from the river.
It's a pond, water pond.
Coming from the pond and slowly coming from the roads, we followed them.
So we took a morning safari to Kanha region. There is as you know, the park is divided into various regions. The Kanha region is one of the area where we went in the morning, and there was this call coming, and our guide identified in which direction the call was coming from, and we headed there, and then stopped for a while where there were some other people also. This tiger came across walking. We stood by. In a while, we noticed that there is a leopard also, and this tiger and leopard were on a hit and run type chase. You know, tiger was chasing leopard, and leopard went on the tree, up the tree, and tiger tried to climb the tree. And this whole episode happens 3 times. Leopard trying to come down, tiger hiding. Then tiger again trying to go up, leopard going further up on the tree, and it was an amazing experience. And what even the guides and other people have told me, they have also never seen in their life such an experience. It was a marvelous experience.
Yeah, I think the first that we saw, that Patedar tiger, that was the very first. I thought it is a love at the first sight. When you see the real tiger and he was just enjoying himself in that water saucer, and you turn speechless because no word to describe the experience that you have with it. Amazing and wonderful. You can say, oh, is this real? Is this real tiger? It's really experience to remember.
The Infinity resorts are very nice, very clean. Usually we don't expect this much of comfort and neat in the resort, so everything was good, and they whatever we asked, they immediately get into the rooms. So it was good. Especially it was very neat.
Yeah, Infinity Resort that we stayed in, it's a really nice resort. Like everything is taken care of. The people, the staff, everything is so nice, polite, and always ready to help you in anything that you want. And a very comfortable stay, I would say. Very comfortable.
Yeah, the drivers and guides were very knowledgeable. They knew not only the park, they also knew, had a lot of information about the wildlife and where we could spot them. And really friendly people. They would always be smiling and going out of their way to help us.
The drivers and guides the driver was very safe. He drove wherever we need. If we want to stop at some place, like if you're listening some alarm and we want to wait for it, while he waited for us and he didn't rush over. The guide have guided us like where we can find the tigers, and they guided us like we have to wait for a while and we can sight the tiger. And also they guided us wherever we can find the tigers and all. They're well experienced and well noted. It's very safe. We found very safe with the guides and the driver. Here the group were totally different with the different age groups. Like it was one of the best experience I had. Usually we come with our friends or with our colleagues, but here I joined with totally different from different states. But everything was very communicable, and I enjoyed the trip with my friends also. Like they came now very close to me. So hope we can have a next trip also together. And Kanha gave me a very good experience. Like of course the sighting tigers and all, and also like the joining with another group of friends from different states.
I would say it was like a dream coming true, and especially Shashank. Like I was really in awe for him, because you know the amount of knowledge that he has. It's amazing. You ask him about the tree, he knows. All the Latin names, difficult names, he knew. About all animals, especially tigers, their habits, the way of identifying this, that. Anything you ask and he's ready with the answer. That was too good to believe. But I would definitely like to go for a next safari or wherever he takes, because that knowledge really makes a trip so interesting. That when you have a question, there is always somebody to turn to for the answer, and the answers are so precise, and it's really nice that you come to know so many things about flora and fauna of the forests, and very nice. I'm really happy.
So with Shashank, the experience has been awesome. It has been well organized, well taken care of, and we hope to do more safaris together. All the best. Yeah, thank you.
That was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.